Dylan's.
Hello people, welcome back to another episode. You are strapped onto my bike. Sorry for these wires in the way. I can't really see anything because we duct taped you to my bike. Not really duct tape, but it's just
Is
tape.
the camera really up?
Yeah, it's on.
Well, Dylan, the camera is on, so like.
Yeah, I know it's on. Let's go.
No,
Travis
we just can't see the middle part of it.
Travis and Charlie are here also. Let's go. We're going all the way down this hill. Down this. You don't know where I'm going. Travis doesn't know where I'm going. Oh God. We're going left. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Sorry. I'm going back to preschool, yeah. Preschool, yeah. Woo! Let's see if we can find Travis. There he is. At first I was gonna turn left, but I forgot.
No, left and right.
No, I know where my left and right are. Just
Turn left out. Turn onto that thing.
no, we're not going in there. They have no idea where I'm going. That's why I'm the leader of this group. It might not be the greatest, but at least I know where I'm going. Here's a gentle car strolling down the way. We're going down this way. You're so far. Whee! I'm not even pedaling and we're at the same speed. Never mind. That's a red car. That's a tan car. Oh, look, it's a dark turquoise. Tumble. We are the champions, my friend. We'll keep on fighting to the end. Loo, la, la, la. La, 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 la. We're going down this way. La, 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 la. You people of this video are going behind the scenes. Remember that video, people? Behind the scene. Yeah, probably you do. But still. Is that a motorcycle? That's right, dude! Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, I swear to God. Where are you going? We're going down here. It's okay. We're not crossing anything. We're going to behind the scenes. And Travis just scared me and I almost ran me off the track. So here we are, people. We are behind the scene. Ow! This is behind the scenes with Dylan Rob. Now, I wanted to show you people that this thing is the new. So you're strapped up to my bike. This is kind of hard. See? We're just a so yeah, that's pretty much it. And you know, if you ever want to, or ever not want to, you can always cross the river. River cross. Yeah. I'll see you next time, my little friends.